All right, we are going through question number 1 on the check-in. It says the table below shows how many of each flower Riley picked from her garden today. Which ratio compares the number of daffodils picked to the number of tulips picked? Okay, so ratios, remember, can be written 3 ways. You can write it with the colon, you can write it with the word to, or you can write it like a fraction. All 3 of these ways you're going to read as to, like the word to in between. So here, one thing that's really important about ratios is the order is super important. So whichever order they asked you to compare the numbers in the question, that's the way you have to write it. So here they said daffodils to tulips. So daffodils was 8 to tulips, which was 12. And I just found that up in our little table up there. So again, I can write it 8 to 12 with the colon. I can write it 8 to 12, or I can write it as 8 over 12. All of those I say 8 to 12. But I'm not done yet because I do want to simplify, kind of like if it was a fraction. The only trick is I have to always have 2 numbers, so I can't simplify it all the way down to like one whole number if it happened to be able to simplify that way. So here I know I can divide both of these by 4. So now I have 2 to 3, 2 to 3, and 2 to 3, which is right here. Notice that fourth choice says 3 to 2. That is not the same thing. You have to have it in the right order, so it is the third option here.